Please you tell me, that is when you are not able to see the screen. I am sharing the screen, so please you tell me. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the Excel sheet. Okay. And here you will find the variable. Here the variable is basically the data. Okay. If you cannot understand, please you tell me. So they are the datas. So, and this is the data. Okay. So in your study, the row will be your variable. Here also, my row is the variable because I want to examine the relation between different raters. Clear? Now, what I am doing, I want to transfer this Excel data to the SPSS. Okay. So what I can do two things. Number one, I can convert this data into CSV file, that is comma separated value. Okay. That is one approach. Another approach, that is I can directly import the data from Excel. Since I have the Excel data, so now I am closing the data. This is my data. So I am closing my data. Now I am going to the SPSS. Okay, now so this is the data. Is it visible to all of you? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, from Excel, it directly comes, sir.
From Excel, yes, directly it comes. Okay. You can go to this file and then open, then you click the data.
Okay.
Okay. And you have to find out your data by using Excel. Okay. So if I click it Excel, then I can get this particular data. Okay. Then I can click the open. And when I click open, then I will get this window. And following this window, if I think that everything is okay, then I can click OK. Okay. So this is the data. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So here you can find out the age. Now be careful. In this particular variable, that is the age, it is written 23 to 35 years. Okay. So this is the string variable. It is not the numeric variable.
Sir, where is it written? We cannot see it. It is just the SPSS sheet.
Acha, acha. Okay. Always tell me, because when I change, then it is changing. This is visible now.
Yes, sir.
So if I click it variable, then it is there. That is the email address, age, qualification, and these are the items. Okay. So this is the item. And if you want to see the item, then you can get it here. This is all about the piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items, they are related to the piece. Okay. And keep in mind that this is the numeric variable. Numeric variable means you can analyze them. But if it is a string variable, then you cannot analyze.
Sir, what is string variable, sir?
That is the character data. For example, I am showing data view. Okay. So this email address, this is the character data. So this is not the numeric. Again, the age is not the numeric data. It is written 23 to 35 years. Clear? So this is the string data. Qualification, PhD, MCom, something is written. So that is the string data. Occupation, string data. Subject matter, string data. Net qualified or not, that is the string data. But this is the numeric data. This is clear to all of you? So initially you have to think about whether your variable will be string or will be the categorical variable. String means, whether it is string variable or the numeric variable. So this is the numeric variable. Okay. Now here you can find out that is these variables are numeric. Automatically it accepts as numeric. If they are not accepting numeric, then you have to modify. Otherwise, they will not keep it in analysis. Okay. For example, I am writing analyze. I am writing descriptive statistics. I want to find out descriptives. Okay. So now here you cannot
Sir,
see
before
the
that, no, sir, before going to this one, sir, analysis,
uh,
please explain me about this one, sir, in SPSS, name, type, width, decimals. This I would like to know, sir.
okay. Suppose your data has some decimal value.
Sir,
Then you have to write down the decimal.
sir,
This is the label.
sir,
This is, for example, this is your email address. This is the string variable. Okay. Since it is a string variable, you cannot analyze this data. You cannot calculate the mean, SD, etc. Therefore, when I click Analyze and Descriptive Statistics, particularly descriptives, when I click it, I cannot see the age. I cannot see the qualification, nothing. Only the numeric values, that is clear to me. Is it clear? So they are all the numeric values. Now from here, this value 1 piece. So this is the numeric value. Okay, but they are the string values. So if I change it date as the string value, then it will be the magic. What is the magic? String is this variable is not here. This is clear to all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir. Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay. So now if I want to select all the data,
So what about this width, sir? Width and decimal, sir?
width,
Uh,
this is the width. For
what is that, sir?
example,
40,
in case
33?
of the numeric, you will find 2, because sometimes we can assume that there will be the more than 9. Okay, more than 9 means 10
Mm.
or 12, whatever the things. So we
Sir.
have accepted these 2. But here, it is the string variable, and the
Sir.
total width is 12.
Sir.
Okay, this is a qualification. So this is a string variable. For that reason, the width I have considered 32.
Sir.
This is clear?
Sir.
Or any question?
No, sir.
Now here, this is the descriptives. So descriptives means the statistics will be mean, SD, etc. Okay. Therefore, you cannot see the string data. Okay. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
But if I want to see the string data, then what I can do, I can go to the analyze. Instead of descriptives, I can click the frequencies. And if I click the frequency and then age, if I take age, okay, now here you can find out the string data are there. Both the numeric and the string data are there. In case of the frequencies, so if I click it age, then okay. So now I am getting the distribution. Distribution is clear. So majority is from 23 to 35.
Sir, we can't see the screen.
Okay. Thank you.
The output we can't see.
Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now keep in mind, here is a syntax. Okay. This is the syntax. So if you want to understand that is how SPSS has done this thing, then you can check this syntax. Okay. And this syntax will help you to make any collaboration with any other scientist, because you can give the data and this syntax, so that scientist can get similar type of result following this syntax. Okay.
Sir, what is syntax, sir?
So this is clear. So this is the script. Basically, syntax is the script. For example, get data. After that, you will find the slash sign. Type XLS. So it assumes that this is the Excel file. And this is the file source. Okay. In the file source, you will find the inverted comma is there. Inverted comma. After that, you will get the sheet. Form responses 1. That means in the Excel sheet, where the form responses 1 is there, it imports the data from that Excel sheet. Okay. Then cell range, full. Then read names. Whatever the variable names are there, it accounts all the variable names. So here you can find out all those things. And after that, execute. Execute full stop. Next is the data set name, data set 2 window front. So that is the script basically. Frequencies. There are several variables are there. You are interested to do the age. Okay, so only age variable you want to work. Then order equal to analysis, then full stop. So if you want to add some more variable, that you can write down here also. After that, you can run. Okay. This is clear. This syntax is very important for any collaborative research. And you can verify. Now, here you can find out the age distribution. Majority participants are from 23 to 35 years. So 52%, 52.4%. 35 to 45, you will get that is the 6 people. So 28.6. So this is a distribution. Now,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
So can you please explain me what is the difference between percent and valid percent in the frequency table of age?
Okay. So if there is any missing data, okay, then you will get different type of data. this percent and valid percent. But since there is no missing data, you are getting the same value. That is 52.4. That is also 52.4. So if there is any missing data, then you will get the different values. And this is the cumulative.
Okay, sir.
Since
So
we have the
can you
complete data, because here you can find out the missing is 0. Okay, since there is no missing data, complete data we got, therefore it says that this is the valid. So this 52.4 or 28.5, it accounts that is okay, I have done. I have received all the data. The program says that is I have
Okay,
received
sir.
all the data. That is the thing. Because percent will change by the total number of observation. That is the thing. Now I am going to show you.
Sir, 1 second. So the
Yes.
missing data means if some participant didn't report their age, that comes under missing data, is it?
Missing data, yes.
Okay, okay. Got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Sir, that time the frequency also altered, sir.
Frequency? Yeah,
Frequency.
frequency will be changed, but then the total data, so you will not get the, for example, if I get 15 data, sorry, if I get at least the 5 data is missing, okay,
Yes, sir.
then automatically this percentage will be different. Because number of observations are important. Since I do not get it any missing data, therefore you can find out this percentage is the same. Now I am sharing you another thing. That is the you can sort the data or you can filter the data. Okay. So this is the data filtering.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Okay. Now it is visible.
Yeah.
Suppose I want to do analysis based upon these 5 rows. Okay. Not all the data. That means I have to filter the data. For filtering, I can click the data. Okay. After that, there is select caches. Visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here I have clicked based on case range. Okay. If I click it all caches, and then okay, then you will see there is no cross mark. Okay. So I have not filtered because it is all caches. But if I want to do the filtering, then I can do this thing.
Sir, filter means removing some data, sir.
Yes, correct. So this is the select caches. For example, I am writing if condition is satisfied. Okay. And I am writing if. Suppose I want to find out instructor. So this is the first variable. Less than 3. Okay. After that, I click it continue. Then okay. So actually, how many data we have? Now I am
21.
yes. Now I am going to the frequencies and I am taking only the instructor 1. Okay. And then I click the okay. So I find that is only
So we could
8.
not see what you have done right now. It was not working in the screen.
Okay. Thank you. This is very interesting thing. This is clear now? It is. Okay. Now what I have done, I have clicked this data. Okay. And after that, I select caches. And I have written that is if instructor 1 rates 3, then he will count. So I can find out of 21 observation, I have selected only first judge. And less than 3, how many are there? Therefore, I have written instructor less than 3. Or if I write down that is above 3, can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I write down above 3, then again continue. After that, okay. So this is the result I get. That is the less than 3. Now I will get the next data. How many are above 3? Instructor 1. Acha. So both also I get the same thing, less than 3 and above 3. Suppose you want to do some analysis about these select caches. You want to do the all caches first. Then you have to remove this one. And you want to do analysis on this case range. Okay. So you have clicked the 1 through 5. So that is the range. If you click it, then first case is 1, last case is 5. Then continue. And after that, you click OK. Now, if you go to the data, so you will find the cross mark is there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first 5 cases, there is no cross mark.
Can't see the data, sir.
Okay. Achha. This is the main problem. This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Because I want to select only the 5 rows data. So based upon your choice, you can select the case. Okay. For example, here I want to find out only these 5, and there are 21 observers are there. So if I want to do the analyze these descriptive statistics, if I click it, descriptives, for all the data, then okay. Is it clear? Is it visible to all of you?
No, sir.
Descriptive statistics.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. This
Screen is not visible.
Okay. Now it is clear. So 70 observations are there by 21 judges. Okay. So here you can find out the 5 rows are there. Five rows are there. So 5 observation, correct. 5 observation and by the 21 judges or 21 observers. And this is the minimum value to maximum 3. But here you can find out minimum 1 and maximum 5. Do you have the Thurstone scale knowledge? Hello, dear student.
No, sir.
Do you have any idea about the rating scale?
Yes,
Shreyoshi?
sir. 5 point rating scale. Likert
Yeah,
scale.
5 point
Likert scale, yes, sir.
correct. Okay. So if it is very close to 5 or more than 3, that means that particular item is judged as the good item. If it is less than 3, that means the judges are considering this is not the good item. Is it clear to all of you? Now, here you can find out the 21 observations, 21 judges are there. For example, here you can find out the judge instructed 15. Okay. And Her rating is 1.80. So mean is very low. Here again, you can find out the judge instructor 7, that is 2. Okay. So maybe these instructors, they are not able to understand the item because they are given some statements and it is their function to judge whether the statement is measuring specific construct or not. So if it is very high matching with the construct, then the score will be close to 5. Okay. And if it is not matched, then it will be 1.
So I have a question over here.
Yes.
First of all, this n, this number of observation, is it
5.
n? So yes, so this is based upon that items in the variable view, that is piece 1, piece 2, like that. It is the count for that.
Yes, correct.
Okay,
So
and
five items are there. So these
yes,
5 items, and each instructor is rating the 5 item based upon the 5-point rating scale.
Likert scale. So can you
Yeah.
show the variable view once, that data for this data sheet?
Data sheet is this. This is the data.
This is the output, sir. I cannot see the data.
No,
I mean,
raw data.
yes, the raw data.
This is clear?
The variable view, in the variable view section, but
Okay.
here, so under the label, it is not written, the piece and all,
No, it is not written.
but it was there, I guess.
Because we know that is this is measuring, because our interest is the piece. Therefore, I want to study this one. So since I know it, there is no problem. If I do not know and you want to show, then you can write down the label.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. But it was written earlier, I guess, right? So in another data sheet.
So that is the original, that is the another data.
Okay.
That is the another data. This is, I have selected the data. Okay.
Okay.
I have selected this data.
Okay,
Therefore,
sir.
it shows this one. So I have selected these first 5.
Okay.
And then I click the analyze. And after that, I get these descriptives.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. And now, suppose I want to do.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the descriptives, the values, you said if it's closer to 5, then it means it's a good data.
Because 1 to 5 is there. 5-point rating scale. So 5 means maximum matching. Okay,
So
and
this is
1
the mean.
means least matching.
Yes, sir. So this is the mean value we're talking about, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
I am taking the mean here.
Okay, sir.
That is the output.
So one more question. I'm a little bit confused over here. We have selected 5 rows over here. That's why the n is 5 over there. Is it? Or it is depending upon the Likert scale?
No, this n means 5 items are there.
5 items are there from the Likert scale, right? That is the rating
Yeah,
scale.
yeah.
Not
Ratings.
the 5 rows which we have selected over here.
No, 5 rows I have selected. This is clear, no? So here you can find out 5 rows are there.
Ah.
5 rows I have selected and other rows are not selected.
So the okay,
So
so
this is the
the
filtering.
so according to the filtering, we are doing the frequencies. Not it is not being calculated for the other 26 or I mean
No.
whatever
Other not accounted here.
datas are not okay accounted over
No.
here. Okay. Got it,
So
sir.
this is all about only the piece.
Sir, I would just like to know,
Yeah,
filtering also, how you decided the first five, sir?
because first 5 is measuring the piece item.
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 each value is measuring by 5 items.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I am selecting only this 5. And I want to find out that is there any discrepancy in the rating among the instructors or not?
So just to clear the thing, so can you do it for the next 5, like from 6 to 10? Can you filter the other 5 and do the
Yeah.
calculations?
That is also possible. So there I
Kindly
have
do that,
to,
sir.
in that context, I have to write down data. Then again, I will go to the select caches. Then I have to click all the caches. Then I have to select based on time or case range. This range, that will be the 6. And the last case will be 10.
Sir,
Okay.
kindly keep it 11. 6 to 11, please.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 5 items are there. If I want to write down 11, then
6 items.
another
6
items
items will be there, right?
Yeah. So therefore, continue. And if I click it OK, and after that I click. Now it is clear.
No, it's not showing, sir. No, it is showing in this one SPSS. Result, sir. What about the result?
Yeah.
Output window is not being shown.
No. I want to show the input data.
Right,
Whether
sir.
you can see the first 5 items are crossed.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I have selected only 6 to 10.
Right, sir.
Okay.
So then
So
our output, how will it show, sir? Can you show it, sir, output?
if I want to do the output, then again I have to go and then analyze. After that, descriptive statistics, descriptives. Okay. This is clear now.
Output is not seen, sir.
Output is not visible here, sir.
This is the output. Now it is interesting. Here you can find out that two instructors, their standard deviation is 0. Can you tell me why it is 0?
Because the minimum and maximum value is 5. I mean the highest.
Yes, that means there is no
Variability.
differences. Yes, there is no differences in their rating. So they have assigned 5. And this individual, she assigned it is 2. Okay. So
The
all
consistent-
the items are 2. That means this individual is outlier. This is clear now. This is also 0. Here you can find out. No, this is different. And here you can find out there is some variation. 1.517. And the minimum rating is 2, maximum rating is 5. Therefore, mean is 3.60. But since it is 0, standard deviation is 0, and you will find the mean is 5, not the 5 point anything. So not the 4 point something. There is no decimal. So in this way, you can find out that is which rater has understood the item better and which rater is not able to understand the specific item. This is clear to all of you? Because you have to find out that is who are the outliers in your study. And you have to remove the outliers. After that, you have to do the analysis. So this is called the data quality management.
So could you please explain what outliers are?
Outliers means who are not able to understand. Okay, and
Voice is not clear, sir.
and who has given the data randomly. That thing you can find out.
Sir, can you repeat?
Now, any sort of data, after collection of the data, it is your function to assess the quality of the data. Okay. Now, you have to find out that is whether the data is reliable and valid. This thing is very important for you. Because the reliability and validity largely depends upon the interpretation of the item or the statement or the question through which you are collecting the data. Okay. And here you can find out 4.20, 4.00, 5.00, 4.60, 4.00. So many data is, you will find more than 3. But there are some data, this instructor 11. So you can ask this instructor 11, that is, please you tell me what you have understood. This is also another data, 17, 1.60. Okay. And here you can find out the minimum value is 1 and the maximum is 2. That means this instructor or this judge or this observer possibly could not understand the purpose of the study. Again, this individual could not understand the purpose of the study. Anthony, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because the range is 1 to 5. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
her range is from 1 and 2. Possibly this instructor could not understand the instruction or could not understand the meaning of the statement.
Sir, so here any value that is less than 2, any mean value would be an outlier.
No, you have to
No.
think that is the minimum range and the maximum range. And here you can find out it is a 5-point rating scale. So from 1 to 5 is okay. But if the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 2, 5 items are there. So 2 possibilities are there. One possibility, that is this instructor was not able to understand the instruction. One possibility. Another possibility is that the instructor was not able to understand the meaning of the item.
Sir, these two is applied for twice.
These are
Sir, these tool applied for 2 times, pre-test and post-test.
no. It is only one.
তাহলে স্যার in 5-point rating scale once time minimum 2 next time maximum 3 তাহলে how it is comes from?
No, minimum, maximum. If it is a 5-point rating scale, na.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
So rating
it
scale
becomes
could
this.
be 7-pointer also, right?
Yeah, that possibility. But here it is 1 point. Here it
5-pointer.
is rating.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, researcher has administered the 5-point rating scale.
Yes,
So
sir.
since it is a 5-point rating scale, and the rating is minimum rating is 1 and maximum rating is 2. Okay.
Once time she rated maybe 1 or 2 times, sir. One
So
time.
if you want to study this data, only the instructor 11 hard data, then the minimum range is 1 and the maximum range is 2. That is not expected, na? Again, you can find out, for example, here you can find out 1 minimum and maximum is 5. This is okay. And again, you can find out the standard deviation is 1.78 something. And here again, you can find out the standard deviation is not more than mean. Standard deviation is not more than mean. Okay.
Sir, can you tell me what is standard deviation, sir?
This is the standard deviation. That is the within group variability.
Okay, sir.
So 5 items are there. And this is the mean and this is the standard deviation. If the standard deviation is more than mean, that means that particular data has some wrong data. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
So you have understood filtering the data.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes.
Sir, can you once
Suppose
again?
you want to get this one, case summary. You can get only the case summary. What is that number? Whose data is very, yeah, 122. Case number 11. So therefore, you are interested to find out the case number 11. So you can click the reports and after that case summary. So this is your data. Okay. Case summary. So many things are written here. Although things are not required. I'm clicking OK. So now you can find out this is the case. This particular individual's data. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
This is clear. Case summary is written.
So I have a question over here. So this
Yeah.
case summary, this left on the left hand side, one is actually the answer for question number 6, right? 2 is for question number 7. Is it like that?
Yeah, this is for 6, 7, 10, 6 to 10.
10, 6,
So
7,
that
8,
is
9,
the
10.
first one. That
Okay,
means this is
okay.
the 6, this is 7, 8, 9, 10.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay. And here you can find out the rating is 1 and 2. Minimum rating is 1 and maximum rating is 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means this individual is outlier in your study. So if you include this data, then your other data will be affected.
So which one is the outlier, sir? One, the instructor
this
one or
instructor 11.
consider or two, sir?
Instructor 11 is outlier.
Achha, So this itself identifies, sir, who is the outlier, huh?
Yeah, then you can identify that
Okay.
is what is the qualification, etc. And why this judge, whether
So
the
even,
judge can
sir, for
understand.
example, if we are doing it for a entire tool, sir, entire tool. For example, I have a data of 60 people, sir. 60 people and 32 item, 7 points, sir. In which we can we find out what are the outliers, sir, in one shot?
Yeah, that is possible. You can do it by SPSS.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the approach.
Okay.
Many people
So
have
in one
many
in
people
one
are
attempt, we
using
can find out who is the outlier, who are the outliers.
who are the outliers.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay. Many people are not doing this type of analysis.
Yes,
They
sir.
usually collect the data and do the mean and whatever the statistics are there. But
Okay.
they are not studying the who are the outliers.
Sir, when we do the filter of the data set,
Yes. Filtering the data.
When we do filtering,
Suppose
that is,
you want to filter the data by column, or if you want to do the filter by row. If it is row, then it will be the caches. And if you want to do the filtering by column, then it will be the variable. I think now it is clear to all of you, or any question.
Sir, filtering, could you please repeat?
Filtering means select cases. It is written filter, cut, it is unselected caches.
Sir, what you told variable and all.
If you want to do the variable, then it will be this one. First, you have to click all caches. Then you have to click this one. If condition is satisfied.
So this filtering, what are the aspects it identifies, sir?
Through the filtering, you can do specific analysis for specific variable. For
Okay.
example, you have identified the 5 variables. They are strong predictor.
Sir.
So you can take only these 5 variables, removing other variables. Or if you want to find out that is in which variable the score is more than some data, maybe for example, here it is more than 3. Suppose this is your tendency. Then you can do this type of analysis. This is the filtering. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this way also you can judge the instructor. The best one that I have shown you. If I take all the caches, then there will be no filter. Okay. And if you are interested, in random sample, if you think about the random sample, approximately, suppose we want to find out approximately 75% from all the cases. And after that, so your observation will be 10. Now you are doing the analyze. Descriptive statistics. Descriptives. Okay. So this is the random sample. Okay. So 75% of the total population. That means you have the 70 data total. Okay. And therefore, it accounts only the 61, but that is the random data. So when the random data is important, when you want to do some simulated model, there you can use the random data. But random data is not applicable in the present case. Okay. So there are several options that you can do by select the caches. Again, if you want to change, first you have to click the all caches. After that, use filter variable. You have selected only this variable, so instructor 1. Then you will get that particular data. And you have to click the all caches. Because I have selected instructor 1, therefore it shows instructor 1. This is clear or any question? And if you want to do the descriptive statistics, then you can do this thing. Again, you have to go to the select caches and all caches. So there is no filtering. I have taken all the caches. You can do the explore, cross tabs, many things are there, but it is better to leave it within this. Okay, now it is the descending mean. Is it clear? Descending mean? Hello?
So can
Sir,
you
yes,
show
sir.
it once again?
Is descriptive statistics. Based upon that, you can find out the descending and the ascending order. For example, I want to find out whose mean is high. Okay. And this is the mean. That is the instructor 10. So up to, if I want to find out up to 4, so this individual 10, 12, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, 18, and 18. So 14 like that. Or maybe 3.71, 3.63. But these are the outliers. That is 13, 7, 17, 15, and 11. This is clear? Hello. The observers who are not able to understand your statement, you can identify in this manner. This
So, sir,
instructor 11. Instructor 11 is not able to identify.
Sir, instructor 13 and 7, 17, 15, 11, these are all outliers?
These instructor, for example, this 13, at least 3. So you can take the 5. 5, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 21, 6 people, 6 instructors, their rating is very poor. Okay.
So below
Sir,
3,
this
sir.
we will decide by the standard deviation, sir.
No, it is by the mean.
Mean.
Mean is, you see, the mean is 3.19. So it is 3. 3 means undecided. Okay. And if it is more than 3, then you can consider. So 15 people, you will find they are not outliers, but these people are outliers. Or if you want to make any cutoff point, then you can take only this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can take only these 8 people and you have to find out what is their designation. I think these 8 people, they are NEET qualified, maybe the PhD. So they are able to understand your item. So in this manner, you can find out that is the observer who is outlier.
It means that this mean value should reach to the maximum, sir.
Yeah, so that you can find out, and the standard deviation, you have to calculate the standard deviation also.
Okay.
The
For
standard
example, this first one is, sir, instructor 10. Maximum is 5, sir. Mean is 4.59. But
yeah,
standard deviation is
4.59. That means almost 5.
Yes,
And
sir.
here you can find out the minimum score is 4 and
4.
maximum is 5.
5. Okay, sir.
And the standard deviation is very low, that is 0.50. That means there is a consistency in the rating. So that is the interpretation of the data. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Because most of the time we are misusing the data. We are collecting the data and using SPSS. We are getting some of the statistics, and based upon that, we are telling, okay, this is the result. But that may not be true. You have to clear the outlier. Any question? And here you can find out I have maintaining the descending order. Okay, descending order means highest to lowest. Therefore, I can find out that is whose mean is higher in comparison with the others. Any question? So you have understood today. In the last class, you have understood the coding, and today you have understood the sorting, filtering, and the syntax. Everything is available in the Google Classroom. There you can find out. Ankit, students have any question? Anthony, it is clear?
Sir, yes, sir, clear, sir.
Zero, na?
Sreyoshi, Raite.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Ankita, Dakshi, Rudrani.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Kavita, Navjyoti,
Yes,
Sophie.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have given some question to the Google Classroom. If you have not done, please you fill it up. And you follow the student coordinator Ankit's guideline. So I'm closing now.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.